In this video, I'm going to give you a bit information about a president of the United States. So here's the question. Which president installed a putting green at the White House? I repeat again, the question is which president installed a putting green at the White House? And here is the option for the name of the president which did that. Ronald Reagan, Calvin Coolidge, Dwight D. Eisenhower, or John Franklin Kennedy. And the answer for the question is which one? The answer for the question is Dwight D. Eisenhower. So that's the answer for the question, Dwight D. Eisenhower.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friend, just go ahead, click the share button and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.